how to fix SkyWorth remote control not working. So if it suddenly stops responding, doesn't pair, or only works sometimes, this video will tell you the most common fixes you can try at home before replacing the remote. So step number 1, just check and replace the batteries if needed. Remove the back cover and insert new batteries, making sure the polarity is correct. Weak batteries are the most common cause of remote issues. Then test the remote signal, use your phone's camera. Open the camera app, point the remote at the camera, press any button. If you see flashing light, the remote is sending a signal. Then you can also repair the Bluetooth remote. For Android TV or Google TV models, turn on the TV, hold home plus back for 5 to 10 seconds and wait for the pairing message on screen. Some SkyWorth remotes use Bluetooth and also infrared. Also unplug the TV from power, wait 60 seconds and plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary software glitches. Also, you can try using the physical buttons on the TV to open settings and check if the TV responds normally. This helps confirm the issue is with the remote, not the TV. And these are the most effective ways to fix SkyWorth remote control that's not working. If you want help with the specific SkyWorth models, pairing codes or replacement remote options, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.